Nalo ko na.
Okay, so here we have Irvin from Owl's team. So, how was your game today?
Kailangan po ba English?
Oh, your choice.
Masakit po yung binti ko. Second period. Then, thank you.
Oh, is it really that emotional?
Thank you.
Is the game really hard?
Dali lang sana. Pero yung mga iba dyan. Joke lang.
What happened? What happened? What's your thoughts about today's game?
More, sana more attentive.
Attentive?
Yes.
Really? What
Parang
do you-
ako, I don't know, offside na pala. Then yun, offside ako. Dapat attentive tayo, guys.
Oh, but you know, Coach Cyril was commenting a while ago. He said you were playing well.
Thank you. Thank you, Coach. Coach, thank you, Coach.
Yeah. So what happened? Why did you lose?
Malakas kalaban.
Ganon. So what do you think you need to improve more on?
More on skating.
More on skating?
Yes, kasi tanda na, lolo na.
How do you feel that now you get to play more?
More confident.
More confident? More ice time?
More ice time, yes.
Yes, definitely.
Hindi na ako bangko.
Yeah! Congrats on the level up. Let's go!
Hindi na ako bangko!
Yes! Happy?
Sobra!
Let's go! Any comments from...
My past games?
Yes!
Better dito.
Wow!
Dala! Ay, huwag mo po
See you on YouTube!
Ay, talaga.
Bye guys!